I'm an Kate. And last 50 days, I have experienced
anxiety,
aggression, and panic. All this I was able to survive thanks to underwear, or rather sewing pants. In my regular life, I have a problem to find underpants that fits me well. For thin girls, sew high panties. That's an example, the most popular underpants for thin girl. I took my size L, and when I put it on, my stomach are here. Yes, I have stomach. La la da, la la da. And this type of panties sew with a so little gusset. I think manufacturers take excess pattern and make bigger only waist, and voila! I will tell you one little secret. As bigger size of a woman, as bigger size here. Next problem, brands have different size standards, and when I buy L, sometimes it's big, sometimes it's small. And in my country, if you buy wrong size of pants, you couldn't give it back. But what I'm talking about if all mass markets left the country. So first I took my favorite one and made back, front side and gusset. I just want to add some information about my favorite underpants from H&M. Just look on this quality. And try to sew from cotton and lace material. Actually, I already sewed panties once and it was too long. From cotton material was great one. I love them. Mwah. From lace one was too small. I had to add fabric on the sides. Like this. Next, I cut bigger waist from black lace. I cut 5 black lace patterns. Here are 4 and 1 on me. And my sew machine was broken. For 1 week while the sew machine was being repaired, I was thinking how to make more different types of underpants and watching DIY on YouTube. This one is perfect. If I know how to sew panties, then I need to sew beautiful panties that cost like Palace in Gelendzhik. I remembered I have more lace. Yes, I bought full length 2 types of lace. Just imagine 10 years ago. And I bought this, and this, and this at the same time. Even then, I had an interest to underpants. I cut from this lace pattern and made a mistake. I cut 2 right parts of a butt. Then I sewed perfect blue lace underpants, but the back part was too short. And while I recorded this video, I understand why. Just compare. But this is side and this is gusset. And why was it too short? I have already given this blue lace underpants my cousin because she has so juicy butt, and already this one with normal size of a butt part, and they are mine. After 15 pieces, I made 4 perfect patterns, removed all flaws. This is old one, this is new one. The biggest mistake was the length of a waist. Actually, I don't understand why I have on a pattern 90 centimeters of a waist length. Also, my waist is 100 centimeters. Just check. That's why I can't make any pattern according to the rules. Ladies and gentlemen, here is perfect thong. Here we need dance of a winner. Beautiful, with correct butt part underpants. They are more than perfect. I sewed more than 50 meters of elastic. This is the rest. Oh my god. And now I have 20 new different underpants. That's how happiness looks like. Actually, I decided to make underpants to sell them. Money, 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 money. Share my Instagram, push like, subscribe my channel, and I will tell you how I sew all my clothes. Bye bye.